Parts for my fuel pump safety modules are in, and I'm going to do a test fit now. First up, we have the screw terminal option. Just snapping the pieces in place. Screw terminals, fuse holder, and heatsink. The other option has some more heavy-duty automotive type connectors. Snap these in. Fuse holder fits. There's not quite enough room for this style of heatsink. They're going to need a slightly different version. It has a built-in fuse holder, connections for the battery and fuel pump, and these connections will give it the tact signal, switched power, and ground.